back in my new video of Python series. Today we are stepping into an entirely new world which is object-oriented programming in our Python, which is shortly known as a OOPS. So up till now we have been using Python's built-in data types which were like list, dictionaries and strings. But imagine you are designing a game like PUBG or Fortnite. You need a player data that has a health, gun and speed. Does Python have a specific built-in list or built-in data types? No. So when we need to build our very own custom data type, we use classes. Starting today, you aren't just using code, you are creating entirely new data types. So let's get started with this video. Before moving to our object-oriented programming, let's first understand the two words which are class and objects. Think of a class as a blueprint. A blueprint itself isn't a car. I'm just giving you as an example of car. So you can't drive it, okay? It just tells the factory how to build the car. This is our class. The actual physical car that roll out of factory based on the blueprint are called our objects. Okay, so the actual output depend on the our blueprint is our object. Okay, such as car 1, BMW, Mahindra, Audi. These are our objects. Okay, you only need one blueprint. Suppose you have installed a car manufacturing factory and you have a design how to design the car and you have that blueprint. So you do not need to change your blueprint. Once you have created a blueprint, you can design number of cars with the help of same blueprint. In our object oriented programming, same concept is applicable. Okay, once you have created class, okay, so this class blueprint you can use in number of objects. For example, in our code you can see I have used the car1 as a one object and car2 as a our second object. You can use here number of objects to create the our objects. Okay, when we move to the code you can see there are two different things which are terrifying for beginners. Okay, the first one is our init, which is a double underscore constructor. Okay, think of it as a factory robot. The exact moment a new car is built, this robot automatically runs and attaches the specific features such as name and color to the car. As soon as you type car BMW and black, the init constructor triggers automatically. So we will discuss this constructor in our upcoming videos in more detail. For now, you just keep it in mind, it is our constructor in our object oriented programming. Okay, this was our init constructor. Now you can see I have used here self. So what is it? It is a parameter with null value. Okay, you can use it as a null value or you can pass some parameter to this self. Okay, if I want to talk about the syntax of our class, the syntax is pretty much simple. You can see over here I have used a keyword which is class, and later on I have used the our class name which is our car. So you have to keep in mind, you have whenever you are constructing a class you have to always keep the first letter as a capital for creating our class. Okay, in our class car I have defined a function where I also pass some parameters such as name and color. Okay, when I am trying to creating objects, okay, then you can see for car1 I have assigned the car class and in which I have passed some parameter values which are BMW and black. So these values goes to the these parameters. Okay, so for name it fetches this BMW and for color this fetches black for our object number 1 or for our car number 1. Same things happens for our car 2. So car 2 uses car as a class and the parameters name and color are Audi and white. Okay, whenever we want to get output then we simply calls the our object and print it. Okay, whenever I'm printing car1 dot name, you can see in our output here we are getting BMW, and whenever we are printing our car2 dot color, then we are getting what is the color of our car2. This is our car2, and what is the color of our car2, that is white. And For example, what is our car2 dot name? Okay, you can see in car2 object, here is what is car2 name. So this name parameter goes to the Audi. Okay, so this Audi name assigns to this name parameter. Okay, and we are getting the output Audi. Okay, this video was just trailer to the object oriented programming. In our upcoming videos we will go in deep and in depth what is object oriented programming in our Python. If you like this video, you can share this video with your friends, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching. Happy coding. Bye bye.